Bhupen Singh Hooda arrived at the Thada Sahib Gurudwara in Yamunanagar to attend the Martyrdom Day function as the chief guest. Said that who will do the work of harassing the farmer. The farmer will work to remove him from power. Petrol, diesel, and LPG are getting away from the reach of common man. Hooda also said that poor man lives due to raising oil price during recession. Congress interim chief Sonia Gandhi has urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi to cut fuel prices. The disengagement process by India and China in eastern Ladakh is complete after 9 rounds of diplomatic and military level talks between the two neighbors. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh said here on Sunday as he hit out at Congress for doubting Indian soldiers' bravery. Herd immunity is very difficult to achieve and one should not think of it in practical terms in India, especially in the time of variant strains of COVID-19 and waning immunity, claims AIIMS Director Randeep Guleria on Sunday. The resignation by Congress MLA K. Lakshmi Narayan and the MK legislature Venkatsan further reduced the strength of the ruling alliance to 11, while the opposition has 14 MLAs in the 33-member assembly, which has 7 vacancies. India and the Maldives on Sunday agreed to further strengthen coordination in enhancing regional maritime security, combating cross-border terrorism, and maintaining peace in the region to ensure freedom of navigation in the Indian Ocean. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Sunday said the Union Budget 2021-2022 is about the role of government as a facilitator and the private sector as a key driver of economic growth, without which the country would be losing a big opportunity. The Modi government is now planning to work on mission mode to reduce the dependence of the country on edible oil imports, under which it would be increasing production of edible oil from various sources along with spreading public awareness for economical consumption of oil.